For continuing, we will go to Problem Statement tab. The problem statement is to represent the big picture overview of the customer needs or request. Once the user has captured the problem formulation, in the exact language of the sponsor, they can go back and ask specific questions aimed at clarifying the customer requirements and the associated importance. As shown in the screen, the goal of the new design is to reduce stresses in the frame caused by impacts sustained by the arms during normal operation, and to address access and ease of use issues experienced with the arms, crossbars, and pinch wheel assemblies. These new designs must all pass design requirements/envelopes specified by BPA for line clearance. There are pictures for better illustrations to the problem of the project that can be viewed in the archived illustrations by double-click on the picture that you want to view. The pictures can be easily imported by clicking select on the location and choosing the picture that you want to import. Then, click Open. And you can provide the name for the picture in the label section and click Save.